already. Here's everybody. All 30 of our dual-purpose meat chickens. And everyone seems nice and lively. And there's no signs of anyone seeming weak or anything at this point. They're already pecking and eating and drinking really good. So we went back and forth on different breeds, but we ended up settling on 15 barred rocks, which these little fellows here, the little black ones, are the barred rocks. And then these little fellows are cinnamon queens. And they're unsexed, so I'll probably do a video on sexing them, how you can tell from the feathers and stuff. I'm not really sure how that's going to work with these breeds. I think that it should end up working out, so we'll see. But we decided on those breeds just because of hardiness, temperament, how long they take to mature, to get to the point where you could harvest them for meat, if that's what you'd like to do. Just various reasons. Also that they could lay eggs through the winter, because I'd like to keep some hens for eggs as well. So just good dual-purpose chickens. So it'll be an adventure. This is our first time having dual purpose.